Hello, let's quickly make akara for breakfast. Akara is made using bean. It's a bean cake or a bean pudding. So the first step is to soak your beans for a few minutes, like 5 minutes. Then you decant the water. Let me show you the easiest way to remove the back or the shaft from the beans, because we need to wash to remove it. We are not making use of that. So just pour it in your mortar and pound it for a few minutes. Once the shaft is fully removed, you pour it in a bowl and add water in the beans. After adding water, you stir it with your hand continuously so that the chaff will come up and the beans will settle. Then you decant using your sieve and repeat this process until all the chaff is being removed from the beans. Then you pour in another water and use it to rinse the beans. It's now time for blending. I tried using my pounder for this blending and it came out smoothly, very smooth, the same way it will come out if I used my blender. So you can give it a try. If you have a pounder and you don't have a blender, it can serve the same purpose. So we pour in our beans and we blend very smooth. This is the beans after blending. It has turned to a smooth paste. Then we pour into a bowl, mix very well. Then we'll add our roughly chopped pepper and onion. Please be gracious and generous with your onion and pepper to your taste. I like my own to be spicy. That's why I added much pepper. Then you stir very well. Add salt and adjust the taste. After mixing, it's now time to fry. Akara is fried using deep frying, but I try managing my oil. That's why I use shallow frying. But if you want to get that round balls, you use a deep frying method. So we pour in our mixture using a scoop gently, and once it turns golden brown, you flip to the other side and fry until it's crispy and golden brown. Once the two sides is properly fried and turned golden brown, you remove your akara. You can serve this with bread, you can serve it and take it with pap, and you can take it with tea. You can even take it alone. It's very yummy, very delicious. The aroma couldn't allow me to finish frying. Did you see how moisty the inside is and the outside so crunchy? So to serve, you can take it with your pap. Have you been graced with this video? If yes, kindly give us a thumbs up, and if you've not subscribed and you found this channel interesting, please kindly subscribe to support this channel. The channel is about family, motherhood, and entrepreneurship. Thank you so much for watching, and I believe we'll see you around in our next content. Bye.